Do you want to discover the 4 top reasons why building managers are getting UV lights installed in their facilities? I'll give you a really big one. UV lights have been proven to kill 99% of all viruses and bacteria. I'm not kidding when I say that. And so we're getting lots of inquiries, phone calls, emails about getting UV lights installed to their facilities for retail stores, restaurants, large public areas like performing arts theaters, as well as office buildings. In these locations, they're doing it because they're concerned. They're concerned that people are going to be scared to go into their building. And this is why I put together this document, okay? This PDF document that teaches you guys a little bit more about why you should be considering about getting UV lights installed in your building. I mean, reason number 1, it's pretty straightforward. Consumer safety. Consumers are going to be thinking about more about what they should be doing, where they can go shop. Are these places going to be disinfecting correctly? What are they doing for their own safety and everybody else's safety? All of that stuff. And as a building manager, you need to take that into account. This is going to be one of those things that you're going to have to start thinking about even more so than ever before. This is why I put together this PDF document. Once you download it, all you got to do is put in your name, your email address, and just click on download, and I'll give it to you instantaneously, okay, for free. But once you download it, on the other page, I got a gift to give you, okay?